Here is my Q10 mic, which I've had from since 2014, I believe. I've had it since my just fitted. Got 3 halogen bulbs in there. As you can see. Anyway, I want to tell you something. This right here, it might be getting replaced at some point. You can see it's being put in place. I'll show you. Yes, guys, that's right. I'm thinking of getting this Mini-Sun 13-inch ceiling fan because it's very, very nice. I don't have this colour, but as you can see, this is a very nice ceiling fan. There's the mounting kit. And the reason why I was thinking I should have a ceiling fan instead of just a normal, traditional fan again is because that light, I'm not really a big fan of it, so yeah. But would like a ceiling fan just to keep my room cool because I'm not having the multicoloured one, but I think I'm gonna have the Typhoon colour that I'm gonna have because the Mini-Sun 13-inch ceiling fan, it's a very nice ceiling fan. I know some people slag it off, but I think it's a very nice ceiling fan. I think it will suit this room. If not, I'll be getting a different ceiling fan or just a light in general. But I have planned in mind that I might be getting this Mini-Sun 13-inch ceiling fan. Only problem though is it's £72. Anyway, just letting you guys know about the news. I might be getting this Mini-Sun 13-inch ceiling fan. So yeah. But for now, thanks for watching and bye for now.